Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, stability control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.